right, now you want to pull it up? Oh, I'll help you. Oh,
I'm
pulling him up. Pulling him up. Good job. Good job. Look at you. Oh, you match so well. Do you want to put this on? Okay. Can you do it? Oh, you're going to put it on your legs?
That's not where it goes, you silly goose.
I don't think it can't get on your body like that. Do you want to put it over your head? Do you want to put it over your head? Here, watch. Watch. Okay, you do it.
Greta, did you just do big poops and we had to change your clothes? Is it big poops?
You're going to put your arm in there? Very nice. Here's the other one. You want to put this arm in here? Good job, Greta.
Wow.
Trying to figure that out now, huh? Pinkle. Look at you! Now what do we do? Oh, you want to take it off now? Okay. Here we go. Watch.
Put it over your head.
Can you do it over your head? Oh, with this arm goes in here. There you go. And put the other arm in there. Can you do the rest now? Can you do the rest?
Put it over your head. Good job, Greta!
You did it, Greta! Yay! You look beautiful!
Let me see, Greta. Turn around. Let me see. Wow! Good job.
You got your new silverware?
Greta, can you say, look at mommy.
You're hungry?
Can you say, I love you, Daddy?
I love you, Daddy.
Say, I miss you, Daddy.
I miss you, Daddy.
I'll see you soon.
See you soon.
And then we've got Amelia. Sleeping. I don't know if you can see her. There she is.
Mommy's talking in her funny voice. Did you show Papa your pants?
G-U-V.
Those are capris. They look so cute on you.
Y-N-G. ABCs.
Babies do it.
Oh, you want to show Daddy how you can ride your horsey? Can you get on the horsey?
What's the horsey's name?
Now, right here on the tomatoes it says, do not refrigerate.
All right. Can Mimi's help put you up on there?
Here, you wanna
Oh
ride
my
the horsey?
goodness.
Do you want to ride the horsey? No.
Please, can you show Daddy? Mommy's going to send this to Daddy.
She rode it a bunch of times already. And we braided Harriet's tail.
You did? Do you want to ride Harriet right now?
No.
Oh, okay.
Maybe
We'll do it
later.
later. Okay.
Should we put your skirt on Harriet?